Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna take a nice easy ride on a highway that should be pretty nice, and the weather looks a little bit gloomy today. Hopefully we don't get rained on, but I'm gonna go meet with the group and we'll see where we go from there. Man, has the weather been nice over in Arizona though. I'll tell you what, from over 100 degrees now it's about 60 something in the mornings. So I've been thinking about just creating more video content for you guys, and I don't know if I want to just do one video a week or maybe one video every other week. That just gives me more time to edit a better quality video rather than feeling rushed, since I do work full time.
I don't know if you guys can see, but it definitely is starting to rain here, and it's starting to come down even more. We're gonna meet two of our other friends and get out of this rain. Hopefully, they said that it wasn't raining down there. We just pulled out of the parking lot and I'm already soaked. Hopefully it slows down. If you've ever been to Arizona, it'll rain like this for like 5 minutes and it'll just stop. Hopefully that's the case this time, because it's getting chilly. Definitely seeing clear skies over there, so that is a good sign. I'm soaked all the way through. Hopefully these cameras can handle the rain. I know the X2 is definitely waterproof, but with the media mod on the GoPro, not so much, but I don't think it'll affect anything. We'll find out. Anyways, we're on our way to Cycle Gear just to meet our two other friends, and then we're going to be on our way to our destination. I'm just going to skip to that part. Let's see if the rain stops over there. On the road, and now we got the entire crew here ready to ride. I got watermarks all over my lens, but anyways, let's just go see what kind of shenanigans we can get into going over to this beautiful area down in Arizona. We'll probably stop and eat down there. Otherwise, we're gonna do easy riding. I was just kidding about the shenanigans. We don't get into too much trouble. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. nice old town. We're gonna stop here and look for a diner to eat at for breakfast. But guys, my next video is gonna be an exhaust install for the Ninja 650 finally. So if you own one, stick around, smash that subscribe button. Until next time, ride safe out there. I'll see you later.